Have you ever wondered if AI can help create an ebook? Well, I did, and I decided to put it to the test. A few weeks ago, I embarked on an experiment to write a complete ebook using only AI tools. My goal? To create something professional, valuable, and sellable. Not just an AI-generated document no one would want to read. I set aside 1 week, one topic, and relied on free AI tools. The ultimate goal was to see if I could make real sales by the end of it. The journey was eye-opening. Some tasks were easier than I expected, while others were tougher. I learned valuable lessons, made mistakes, and discovered shortcuts to avoid my mistakes. The result? A finished professional ebook published on Gumroad. It began generating sales from real customers. Today, I'll take you through my entire process, step by step, each day's lessons, and how you can replicate my journey. Let's dive in. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We share real experiments and practical AI strategies daily. If you're not part of our community, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's start with day 1. I didn't write any content. Instead, I focused on choosing the right topic. This decision was crucial and often rushed by many aspiring writers. I almost made a mistake. My first instinct was to pick a topic I find fascinating, like the technical architecture of AI. But that topic wasn't sellable to beginners wanting to make money online. Here's the key lesson. The right ebook topic isn't about personal interest. It's about what real people want to learn. I focused on 3 key characteristics when selecting my topic. First, there must be genuine demand. People should actively search for this information. Second, there must be a gap in what's currently available. If there are too many excellent free resources already, you'll struggle to sell your ebook. Third, you need to provide value. You don't have to be an expert, but you should be able to present researched, usable information clearly. Using Claude, an AI tool, I generated 10 potential ebook topics focused on making money online in 2026. After validating each idea through several platforms, I decided to write a practical guide on using AI tools for beginners. Day 1 wrapped up with a powerful lesson. Spending time on topic research is crucial. A wrong topic can lead to 0 sales. On day 2, I focused on structuring my ebook. Most beginners start writing without a solid outline. I avoided that mistake. I used Claude to outline my chapters. I detailed the reader's profile, their frustrations, and the transformation they should achieve. Claude delivered a comprehensive 8-chapter structure quickly. After multiple reviews and revisions, I confirmed the structure felt logical and complete. The message here is simple. Don't start writing until your structure is ready. By day 3, it was time to finally write. I created a 3-step writing process. First is the chapter brief. I included specific arguments, important points, reader context, and my desired tone. The more detailed my brief, the better the first draft Claude produced. Next is the writing and first draft review. I read each draft thoroughly to check if it met my expectations. Finally, the transition review, where I ensured a smooth flow from one chapter to another. This structured approach worked. I completed my first 4 chapters on day 3, feeling confident in the content. Day 4 was about finishing the writing. I followed my process and completed the remaining 4 chapters. I discovered how vital human editing is. Some chapters needed emotional depth, which AI lacked. I took my time to add this nuance, making the text resonate more with readers. By the end of day 4, all chapters were complete, resulting in a coherent manuscript. Day 5 was Transformation Day. The manuscript needed to become a professional-looking ebook. I moved everything into Canva for design and formatting. I learned a valuable lesson. Buyers judge by appearance first. A well-designed ebook shows quality and professionalism. Using Canva's features, I created eye-catching elements like chapter introductions and key takeaways. I also refined my cover design through several iterations, ensuring it was compelling. After 5.5 hours, I had a professional ebook ready. Day 6 was launch day. The first task was writing a compelling sales page. Many beginners write product descriptions instead of persuasive sales pages. I crafted a sales page that guided potential buyers through understanding the product's value. I uploaded the finished ebook to Gumroad and set the price. I promoted it across my social media platforms, connecting with potential customers directly. And guess what? In just 6 hours, I made my first 4 sales. Day 7 was results day. By now, I had 11 sales and made approximately $170. While this amount may not seem huge, it validated the idea that people will pay for valuable content. This brings us to the 5 key lessons learned during this experiment. First, deep topic research is essential. Second, always create a solid structure before writing. Third, human editing is not just an afterthought. Fourth, design is critical for first impressions. Finally, launch fast and improve continuously. In summary, I spent 1 week, created an AI-assisted ebook, and established a potential for passive income. What topic would you choose for your first AI ebook? Share it in the comments. I reply to every comment with feedback to help you find the best angle. If this helped you see the possibilities, give this video a thumbs up. It helps reach others ready for digital product success. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI strategies. See you tomorrow.